In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table of contents in Notion. Whether you're organizing a document, creating a streamlined view of your notes, or enhancing your workspace for easy navigation, a table of contents can be an incredibly useful feature. Let's dive into the steps to create this helpful tool in Notion. First, you need to open the Notion page where you intend to add the table of contents. This could be any page that you find suitable, whether it's a work-related document, a personal project, or a page filled with research notes. Opening the right page is crucial because this is where you'll be adding and organizing your content. Once you have your Notion page open and ready, you'll want to decide on the location within the page where your table of contents will appear. Typically, users prefer having the table of contents at the beginning of their document, but you can definitely choose a location that best suits your workflow or design preference. Selecting the right spot ensures that when you or anyone else opens the page, there's immediate and clear navigation available right from the start. Now onto the next step, which involves a little typing. Click exactly where you want that table of contents to pop up. Then you'll need to type the following command, a slash followed by the words, table of contents. This is what you call a Notion command, and using it will begin the process right there on your page. After typing that command, you'll notice a menu popping up on your screen. It provides various options related to the content you're modifying or adding. From this menu, what you should do is select Table of Contents. This is the precise feature we're focusing on today. Notion is designed to be intuitive, so it usually suggests what you're looking for based on your command. And there you have it. Your table of contents will now automatically generate on your page based on the headings you've used throughout your content. It's a dynamic feature that updates automatically as you add, remove, or change headings in your document. This seamless integration means you'll have a living, breathing navigation guide right in your document. It's particularly handy for lengthy pages and helps keep everything tidy and easily accessible. To get the most out of your table of contents, keep in mind the importance of using headings throughout your document. Notion will create links to these headings, so they need to be in place for your table of contents to be effective. As you develop your content, think about breaking it down into sections with clear, concise headings. That's it for today's tutorial on creating a table of contents in Notion. Remember, this feature can greatly enhance the readability and user-friendliness of your pages. Happy organizing, and make sure to explore and customize your Notion workspace further to match your unique style and needs.